This 2021 Thor Motor Coach Outlaw 38 kilobytes is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features a Roadhouse 2, Midnight Special, Street Blues interior, sleeps 8, Slideout, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features Bunk Over Cab, Loft, outdoor entertainment. This 2021 Thor Motor Coach Outlaw 38 kilobytes. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video